beautiful people. Sorry. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the first time I'm coming across this channel. Please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my family. If you already subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you guys, I really appreciate you all. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the like, the comment and everything. I appreciate you all. So today what we are going to be talking about today is the topic we are going to be discussing about today is saying no to domestic violence. Say no to domestic violence. Okay. Today we are going to be using pidgin. In case you don't know what they call domestic violence. Domestic violence means when your husband go dey harass you, they beat you, or now go dey get issue, they other go always they beat you all the time. And wetin domestic violence means now wetin be the meaning of domestic violence. So wetin make me come to this place today, make me come to this for today say I wan come discuss about this say no to domestic violence. Many people dey die out there. Many people dey die. Many of our ladies they die because of this saying no to domestic, because of this domestic violence. Many people dey die. You go dey see say as many people as their husband dey beat them, they go come resolve to wey be say you come go beat am one day, you come resolve to say the person don die. So guys, wetin make me come out today come discuss am be say the thing dey happen, that is, e dey happen anyhow nowadays. E dey happen say man go just beat woman, you know, be say before you come reach to the one say don die, you know, be say you don dey do am since. So wetin I come out come beg our ladies today, our women, wetin I come out come beg una. If you see say your husband dey beat you, anytime wey you and him get issue, go just carry hand dey beat you. Normally say if you dey do am, if you do am for the first time, you fit talk and tell am say this thing wey you dey do so I no like am o. Cause you need to warn am, you need to caution am say this thing wey you dey do, you know, I no like am. When e start for the first time, you fit tell am say this thing wey you dey do, I no like am. Do am second time, you tell am the same thing. Do am third time, you see say this man, you know, that is you no wan change. My brother or my sister, run for your dear life. This life na one chance again, na just one, na only part one, part two no dey. Part two no dey this time wey be say after e don happen, you come go meet am say I'm sorry, those kind of so and so, you come happen. Who don die don die. That is part two no dey this life, na only part one na be this life. Two no dey. Part two no dey this life wey me and you gather this, na only part one e dey. If you and your partner and God dey have issue, no say anytime wey you dey get issue, na so beating, you see say you dey tell am say make you change, you no wan change, run for your dear life. Because if you die today, that man go go marry another, he go go marry another woman. If he don too more you, na be say more you reach 6 months, if you go even more you reach 6 months, you go marry another woman. So wetin you go dey kill yourself for? Why you go dey kill yourself? If you say you dey live with man, say that man he wan kill you, don dey turn you to punching bag all the time, every time you go get issue, you just get issue, just dey blow you. And my sister, I dey tell you now, run for your dear life. No say because say you love that man, say because say you love that man, you no wan leave that man. Because say you get feeling for the man, you love the man, you can't stay there, make the man kill you. If the man kill you, all those your children, who wan help you take care of your children? Sit down and think am. If you die today, who wan help you take care of those your children? Either government take the children or another woman will come into the house come dey help you dey take care of the children. Abeg, say no to domestic violence. If you dey stay with your partner, so that person na also dey beat you, run for your life. If that person really need you, if he want you, be say like you dey, let's for example say na he really want you, he value you, he will come for you. How man go just sit down with all dey beat woman all the time, all dey beat am. I always wonder how you go talk say you love person, you go raise the hand dey beat the person. I no really know. You just say that person you love and you get feeling for the person, you and you just get issue, you only carry hand, you only beat the person. If you dey stay with your partner, you see say that person you no wan change, also wetin dey do be that one. my brother or my sister, run for your dear life, because the thing no be only women the thing come even dey happen to, e go still dey happen to men. You go see am say one woman and man just dey get issue, you go see am say the woman go just carry knife, go just chook the man go just die. Na so life just go, e no go wake up again, don go, e no be say e don go. That one wey dem don chook so e don die, no dey come back again. This life na only part one e get. This life no get part two. Part two no dey this life wey my dey so. Part two no, na only part one na this life get, no get part two. So if you dey say with person, say this person you wan come kill you, wan come turn you to punching bag all the time, dey beat you, my sister, run for your life. Why I always dey say my sister, because na women this thing always dey happen to well. Na we women those things always dey happen to. We always dey bear say because of the pikin, me I don manage because of the pikin, I no wan leave the husband marriage because of the pikin. My sister, if you die today, that your pikin, you don leave am o. That pikin you say you no wan leave, if you die today, that pikin you don leave am. Now you say you don leave that pikin go. Wetin make me come out today come talk this issue be say e get wetin happen for Germany here. Wey be say this woman, e get belle, the woman just newborn, never even reach 1 month wey the woman born, the husband already dey beat am. You don beat the woman and so tey the woman eye come swell up. You know say if woman born like that, go say make the woman come hospital, make e come do check up whether everything dey okay with her. You know say if woman newborn like this, all your body just still dey new like newborn baby. Everything about the pikin, everything about the woman body don change. You need some time. You need time wey be say you go take calm down. You need some time wey be say body go take dey back to as normal. The body go need to dey normal as before. That woman wey newborn, so e body no dey strong as the body used to before e born that pikin. So e need time. With strength, you need to dey gather his strength and time before the body go come dey relax like that. So I see say for Nigeria like this, if person born, say mama don come, mother-in-law don come to come support am, because you know say that woman e need rest. But here for Europe, we no get that privilege. If you say your mama go come greet you, all this one, we dey do things by ourselves. But as we dey do something by ourselves, we need to be careful. We need to dey careful. Do the one you fit do, the one you no fit do, you rest. Don't be say you wan go dey kill yourself for the issue. Shey you dey get wetin me dey talk so anything you dey do small. So na so the woman come get here, the woman come get issue as the man beat the woman finish. So when the woman suppose to go hospital come go do checkup, the woman no fit go hospital again come go do checkup. So because of that one, when the woman wan come go hospital, na the husband beg am say, you know say because say you get injury for face, na if you go hospital like this, they go ask wetin happen to you, how this thing take happen to you. Say make you abeg, make you no go hospital, make you wait, make this thing come down first. The woman come really say yeah, you come stay for house, you no come go hospital again. After few weeks, na the woman die. Na so the woman take die o. That woman wey say maybe na be pikin now, say you no wan make dem hear their voice, so make dem come arrest the husband. You no wan make dem go hear your husband, come make your wife come separate o. Because I know say before that day, before that thing happen, say that woman, the man come go beat am when that woman newborn. So the man already dey beat am since. No be that day be the first time. That was not the first time say the husband had to beat am. That one no be the first time say the first time say the husband dey beat. The husband dey beat am since. So the next thing say the woman just newborn, the woman come the useless man come still carry her go up, come still dey beat the wife. I don't see any normal woman be like that. We all carry her, all the beat wife, all the time, all the carry her, all the beat wife. That is, and you could use her they talk again. Don't be mad until they talk. Must you beat your wife every time you say you guys should say you all carry her, they beat her. So now so the woman take go. Now the woman go. You never even reach how many weeks. Never reach how many months. The husband don't come still marry another woman again for the same camp where they dey. The other woman come still marry. The man don't come still go marry another woman. Never even reach few weeks. He don't go marry another woman again. Now wetin me dey tell una be this one o. Who die don't die. Who don't go. There is no part two in life. Life is just one. You just have only one life. There is not like say check second life or third. There is nothing like that. You just have only one. Just one. If you don't die, say you don't die. There is no coming back. There is no coming back. All those your children where you don't want live, where you don't want to say because of them, say you don't want to leave their papa. All children you go come leave them. They no come get mother again. So you go, so you come say go leave your children for some woman, and so they go dey maltreat your children anyhow. Is it fair? Abeg, you say you dey stay with your partner, say na beat so beat dey beat you, run with your life. That man no deserve you. You no deserve you. If you deserve, you no go dey beat you as dey beat you. You no deserve you. You say the man dey always dey beat you, dey always dey beat you. You know say make you change. You say this man, you no wan change. Run for your dear life. If not so, divorce the man. You divorce the man. You dey alive. Now dey important pass say you don't die. Why would you say you go even die? No go even give you how many minutes. No go even give you how many waiting be 1 year. Even more you use this month now, you thank God. You no go even more use how many. Don't go marry another woman. Because see that woman now will just new born. So that you picking now, you don't leave her. You don't leave her now. You don't go. Don't go. Don't say don't go. Now be say don't go. Don't go with that one. There is no coming back. That you picking now, don't leave her. And you also not go marry another woman. You also not go marry another woman. Sometimes we will be women and we be ourselves problem. Now we be ourselves problem. Sometimes and we be ourselves problem. You go back to that woman go marry another way they beat the wife. Now you go there aware, but you don't want to talk. You don't want to talk. Then the woman don't die now. You don't go marry your husband. You don't go marry your husband. Women are beg when I say no to domestic violence. If you they stay with person, say that person. Also beat they beat you all the time. They told you to punch it back. Anytime when you get issue, now just beat, you know. My sister, run before that person kill you. Run for those your children. If you not get anywhere, because of those your children where you get, run because of them. Because you need to live for them. You need to live for them. You need to take care of those children. There is nothing like say you will be parent to take care of picking by yourself than say another person go take care of her for you. They say another person go come take care of her. Now wait, sometimes that is, and the reason why I say some people, those government they would take their children. When also say the mother and the father always they fight. May not go put that picking life for a danger. They will just carry the picking go. They will just carry him. You see her now, the woman don't die. The woman don't go. The man don't go marry another person. So my people, my women, my ladies, I beg, man say no to domestic violence. If you dey stay with person, no, this matter don't mean I don't talk today because they pay me. If you dey stay with person, say this person and also they beat you all the time. Run for your life. 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 No stay there. No stay there. That place is not meant for you. No stay that place. Run for your life before that man kill you. If he kill you, because after all, women full everywhere. If he kill you, go marry another person. You no go more usually where you go marry another person. I beg. So my people, now I will stop this video today. Drop your comment, drop your opinion on what you think about this my topic. Thank you guys and God bless you. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.